Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video on how you can change the background of a calendar or a date field within PowerApps. So we'll just get straight into it. So if I just insert a date picker into the app, so there you can see, so that's come out as blue. So obviously the options out of the box is to change the icon and the icon background. But if I run this app and then click on the date, this is the color that I want to change here. And I found you can't actually do this in the properties as of yet, but the way you can actually change this is by changing the theme of the actual application. So what you need to do is if you come to home and then you see this theme option here. So when you select on this, there you can see the themes available. So now if I just change this one to red, there you can see that's set that. Now you could still change the colors of the icon and the icon background to be different, even though you've just set the theme. However, now when I open that, you can see that that background is actually red. So that's how you change that color. As I said, unfortunately, I couldn't see this in any of the properties. I mean, if anyone's found any other ways to do this, please let me know in advance. I'll just change the theme again. So let's just check this aqua one. So let's change the whole thing of the app. We'll run the app again. There you can see the background, so that's changed again. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.